so expensive. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because it is January's Battle of the Boxycharms. A little background, I know that many of you know I'm on a no-buy right now. That's still happening. In the video where I talked about my no-buy, I realized I never mentioned that pretty much Boxycharm would be my main caveat. I am going to continue to get Boxycharm every month until it pisses me off enough that I no longer want it, just so that I do have makeup coming in and I'm not feeling like, oh my god, I gotta buy everything. I'm hoping that it kind of helps settle the urge to get new makeup because I'm still getting new something and it's kind of fun because it's a mystery. So for the foreseeable future, I'll still be able to do these types of reviews. Now, I have the regular Boxycharm box and the premium Boxycharm box. I don't really know why I'm getting both. I'm gonna have to go into my account and figure it out because I don't know that I need one when I have the other, vice versa. So let's go ahead and open these boxes. I'm gonna go through each product and tell you what I think, tell you if the boxes are worth it or not. To me, it's all my opinion, obviously, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna start with the classic Boxycharm box. This box is $25. See, the theme for January is breaking the ice. That's cute. All right, first up, we have the Pretty Vulgar Concealer. So I know this was an either or thing. They said either you would get a concealer or one of those Too Faced like Diamond Lights highlighters. And I'm honestly surprised I didn't get one of those highlighters. And the reason being is in a previous Boxycharm box, they had sent us like a sample card of this concealer and they wanted us to provide feedback on which shade matched us the most. And I told them that none of the shades matched me, even the lightest was too dark. And this looks too dark. So I just kind of figured they'd send me that highlighter when I saw that. Very interested that I got this. This is gonna be too dark. I'm not even gonna open it. I can just tell it's way too warm toned for me. This is another gripe I have with Boxycharm, that they don't send the packaging that this comes in. So say you wanna give it as a gift and you're like, oh, I got you this concealer. Yeah, I promise it's not used, even though it's not in a box. Or like you wanna resell it, you wanna put it on Poshmark and then you're like trying to sell a concealer that is without a box. I'm like, it's just now that we're paying $25 when it used to be $21, don't you think for that extra like $4 you could send me some cardboard? Just a thought. Anyway, this retails for $25 and I will not be able to use it. Next up, oh, I meant to look this up. Is it Ace Beauty? Ace Butte? Ace Beauty? No clue. But we got a palette from them. It's called the Vintage Dawn palette. Ooh. Ooh. That's a surprise. Sorry, I'm like already trying to swatch. I was expecting a warm tone palette and I don't know why, and I'm very, very happy and caught off guard, honestly. Woo! Oh shit. I already had swatches on my arm and now I'm swatching again. That's okay. Such is life. Very happy with this color story. I thought it was gonna be like another red orangey palette and it's so much more. Cool. This retails for $34. This, oh. And I just got eyeshadow all over it. Cool. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. What's a gommage? A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Okay, I'm not reading all of this. Exfoliator. Got it. Face Gommage. This is a huge bottle. It retails for $28, so decent price point. It's got some decent ingredients in it. I could look up all the ingredients, but honestly, I'm much more into chemical exfoliators. I'm super picky about my physical exfoliants, so I'm not gonna be using this, period. Just gotta be honest with you guys. All right, and then we've got Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Okay, it says it retails for $107. Okay, Boxycharm, okay, Avant. No. What is in this, gold? There are literally 0 ingredients in here that would make me think this should be worth $107, especially for 1.69 fluid ounces. Nope. I already have my sleeping mask that I'm loyal to. I don't feel like adding a new one to my routine. I won't be keeping this either. Okay, last up in the box, it's a Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. It's a matte liquid lipstick, I'm guessing, and it retails for $21. And I'm really not a red girl. I don't wear reds, so I'm not gonna be keeping this, but okay. All right, that box sucked. Let's move on to the premium. Don't fail me. Oh, premium is $35. Same theme, breaking the ice. Let's see what $10 more gets me. Ooh, okay. First up, Too Faced Cosmetics Sugar Peach Face and Eye Palette. If I'm not mistaken, we got a choice, and I think I chose this one. This was something when it came out I was very tempted by, but never picked up because I didn't want it that bad. Ooh, it smells like their peach palette. It smells really good. When you forget how bold your makeup is and you're like, ooh. Do I have any clean fingers in this one? Kind of powdery, kind of chalky. Oh, that's very pink. Okay, this bad boy retails for $44. Wouldn't have paid that for it, never paid that for it, but happy to have it. Next up, we've got the Skin Effects Resurface and Glycolic Renewing Scrub. Another exfoliator. Oh, you can use this one on your body, pre-shower and in shower. This seems like a big ass bottle. Ooh, that's a lot of product. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna try this. It says it targets keratosis pilaris. If you don't know what that is, it's these little, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys, am I? You're not gonna see it on camera. Honestly, now that I've been exfoliating my arms so often, it's not as bad, but it's like the rough and little red bumpies that a lot of women get on the back of their arms. Some it can go down to your forearms. Some women, I've seen it on their legs. I guess men get it too. I'm saying women, but that's because I never hear men like, oh, my keratosis pilaris, you know. Men don't typically give a shit about stuff like that. But I've got it, and I hate it, so I'm very curious to see if this works. Cool. Oh, and it retails for $40. That's not bad for this amount of product. Okay. Vegan, cruelty-free. All right, then we've got the Farsali Liquid Glass. Oh, it's a radiant serum? I have a mini of this, and I've been using it as a primer. Radiant serum with hyaluronic acid. Oh, shit. Okay, it says use as a radiating skin serum or as a primer before makeup application. Perfect, because I definitely use this as a primer. It's super nice, super hydrating. I'm not going to open this one yet until I'm done with the mini I have, but yeah, it's like super hydrating, and that's my favorite kind of primer, so I really do like this. I'm glad to have this. $54. It retails for $54. I know that's not a lie because Farsali is expensive for no reason. All right, guys, I'm gonna try not to be too bitchy. Next up, we have the Kat Von D Beauty Lolita eyeshadow. $19 for a single eyeshadow in her classic Lolita shade. Here's the thing, Boxycharm. I myself, along with so many others that I've seen on your Instagram, on the Boxycharm Beauty's Facebook page, to Yoself himself in his chats, we have said on so many occasions that we do not want Kat Von D Beauty products in our Boxycharms, period. We don't like her, we don't support her brand, and we don't want it. And yet you still keep giving it to us. I really hope someone from Boxycharm sees this. I really do, because listen to me. When Laura Lee Los Angeles had her party animal palettes in your boxes, and then those tweets came out that were from however long ago that, you know, she was saying racist things, and everyone wrote you and messaged you and said, we don't support Laura Lee anymore, get her shit out of your boxes. And then you pretty much fired her, it seemed like, and then you were like, I think even offering people they could send their palettes back for another item or maybe money back. I don't know, I kept mine. That's neither here nor there. The issue is you listened to them then. Why are you not listening to us now when we're saying get this anti-Semitic bitch out of your boxes, period? That's my first qualm. My second issue is, at least if you are sending us her products, don't send us an old fucking eyeshadow of hers. Send us like one of those new blushes she's coming out with, or one of those like new lipsticks, something new at least, instead of just old shit she can't push because she's irrelevant and everyone hates her. Third, if you are gonna send a single eyeshadow, why not make it like a fun shimmer? Why just this matte shade? Why not make it like, it doesn't even have to be something like amazing, like an hourglass, scattered light, whatever. It could be a Tarte chrome paint pot, whatever the hell. Something more fun than just this. A matte shadow. Oh, thanks for sending the box though. That's something at least. Okay, rant over. Next, we've got St. Luxe Beauty. This is an eyeliner trio. So you've got a black, a brown, and a nude. I'm gonna be honest, I'm judging solely off the packaging. These look like they're gonna be scratchy. I don't even wanna open them. I have enough eyeliner, and this set retails for $54? No, This set retails for $55. And no fucking way. All right, lastly, Billion Dollar Brows. It's the Best Sellers Kit. It retails for $42. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so you've got your brow pencil. The shade might work. Ooh. Oh, of course I did it where you guys can't see it. Hold on. It's universal. It says, this isn't gonna work for a blonde. This is barely gonna work for me. It might work in the front of my brows. Don't do brow products unless you can customize them, Boxycharm. Just a little, my gift to you. Then there's a brow gel. Just a clear brow gel. Cool. This is neat, and I do like this. So this is to conceal, like highlight your brows. Now, I say it's cool because there's two different shades, but if you're someone with a deeper melanin, obviously, like, come on. Even the deeper shade's not for you. But still nice to have, and then a little brush. Okay, what did I say? This retails for $42. I find that hard to believe, only because this looks like a set I could find at TJ Maxx for like 10 bucks or something, but okay. All right, let's break these boxes down. Okay, my regular Boxycharm box has a retail value of $215.99, albeit half of that coming from just this one product. So let's see here. Pretty Vulgar Concealer, worthless to me because I cannot use it. The Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, worth $35. I'd pay $20 for it. The Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Exfoliator, Gommage, sorry, wouldn't buy it, don't want it. Avant Sleeping Mask, don't want it. And then this Mana Kadar lipstick that I also don't want. So yeah, I paid $25 for this box and I'm valuing it at $20, so I did not get my value on the regular Boxycharm box this month. Let's move it over to Premium. All right, my Boxycharm Premium box retails for $254. Let's see y'all. This Too Faced palette, I probably would have bought it eventually, maybe if it went down to $15 at Ulta. Even then, I don't know that I would have, but we'll put it at $15. Why not? This Skin FX thing, doesn't know if it works, but I'd maybe buy it for 20 bucks. It's a lot of product, and it seems promising. For Solly Liquid Glass, I know I like this, but I would never spend $54 on it because I'm cheap, and I have so much primer already. I'd put 20 on it. This Kat Von D eyeshadow, fuck no. This eyeliner trio, no, nothing. And then this Billion Dollar Brows bestseller set. I don't know. I'll try to use it. Put it at like 10 bucks. Like I said, could find it at TJ Maxx for that much probably. So I'm valuing this box at $65. I paid $35, so I did get my money's worth. Thank God. So obviously premium one for me this month. That's what I would recommend if you had a choice. For $10 more, I got such a better value. Definitely well worth it. And I'm actually excited about more than one product in here, so woo! I'd love to know if you get Boxycharm, and if you do, what you got in your box in the comments below. Are you just regular Boxycharm, or are you doing the premium too? Do you get the luxe? Like, do you go all out? Let me know, because I really am trying to figure out what subscription I want to stick with. I'm debating on if I even need luxe anymore. We shall see. Time will tell. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!